swinging bridge lives a little girl with eyes of deepest blue. Gonna make her my home and build for us a home on the blue side of the Blue Ridge Mountain, where the pines are so tall and the turtle dove still calls and the wildflowers bask in the sun. I'll follow the road past that old waterfall to the blue side of the Blue Ridge Mountains. We'll visit Uncle Bill, walk the path to his still on a rock ledge just below the cabin. We'll talk about old times